Hello everyone, this is the structure of penicillin, but how many chiral centers are there in this structure? If a carbon atom or heteroatom has to be chiral, then it needs to have 4 different groups around it. Therefore, let us ignore all those carbon atoms that doesn't have 4 different groups. We can definitely ignore all the carbons that are sp2 hybridized. Therefore, we can ignore all these carbon atoms. We can also ignore all the carbonyl groups because they are sp2 hybridized. Carbonyl, here we have a carboxylic acid functional group where the carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Therefore, we can ignore that one also. We can also ignore all the methylene groups. Though they are sp3 hybridized, we have 2 hydrogens. Therefore, we can ignore them. We can also ignore all the methyl groups because we have 3 hydrogen atoms. Therefore, we can ignore these 2. How about this carbon? This carbon we have 2 methyl groups. Therefore, in total we will be having 3 different groups, not 4 different groups. Therefore, we can ignore this one also. Now, how many carbon atoms are remaining? 1, 2, 3. These 3 could be chiral. Let us cross check it. We have a hidden hydrogen and then NH on top and then CH on the right hand side. We have a hidden hydrogen here too and then carbonyl group down. Therefore, we do have 4 different groups. Here we have a hydrogen atom and then sulfur on the right hand side, CH on the left hand side and then nitrogen. Therefore, this carbon atom is also chiral. Here we have a hidden hydrogen, we have a carboxylic acid functional group down and then nitrogen on the left hand side and then carbon on the right hand side. Therefore, we do have 4 different groups. This means that this is also chiral. So, in total we have 3 chiral centers in penicillin. This means that 2 to the power 3, that is equal to 8 stereoisomers are possible in penicillin.